Today at White Coast Marine, new moorings. The eagle-eyed amongst you will have spotted on certain other videos, and anybody who's been out on the Blue Dolphin over the last few years will know that we're normally based here on Pantalan Pontoon number 8 at Marina El Portet in Denia, and this is our spot. Or should I say it was our spot? But let's see if we can see what's wrong with it. Number 17, not much wrong with it, nice and quiet. That's the problem, a bit too quiet. Not much in the way of passing trade all the way down here. So finally a space has come available on the front. Let's go and have a look. Well, here we are on the front at Marina El Portet in Denia, just in case you haven't got that bit. Now along the front, as I keep referring to, is where all the self-drive charter boats hang out, or renter boats. Now it's a quiet Monday morning at the moment, so there's not lots of people walking up and down here, but you get the idea. It's a promenade that at weekends and during the summer is absolutely heaving. Some really nice bars along the front and some busy marineros. And this is where you need to be. You've got to be on the front with people walking past saying, "Oh, that looks like a nice boat, I want to go for a ride on that one." So now the Blue Dolphin is front and centre. There she is, right in front of one of my favourite bars, Zenza. We are here. People walking past can see us, and we have the advantage of passing trade finally. Zenza, here in Marina El Portet in Denia, with its chill out dome afloat there with some funky tunes going, overlooking the harbour, right across to the castle, and we are right next to it. So I couldn't be happier with the spot. Now what we've got to do is wait for some people to come along.